Anthony from RV Adventure Ontario. Today we're going to replace the bathroom tap in the bathroom of the RV. So it's dripping, so I went out and bought another one already, so we're going to go inside and replace it. So subscribe or hit that like button if you like this video. I'd really appreciate it. It helps out my channel. Now let's go on inside. All right, we are inside the coach now of a 2017 Grand Design. So basically just the standard faucet that comes with the trailer, dripping constantly out of here when it's under pressure. So I purchased another tap very similar, and let's swap it out. One thing you make sure you do before you start, just crack the taps open here. Let any water out of the lines before you get started. Let the pressure off. Make sure that you are not hooked to any water right now, and your water pump in your rig is turned off. Okay, so here's the replacement faucet I purchased. Just a basic faucet that's very similar to the one I'm going to replace here. So let's have a look underneath. Alright, just underneath here, just mind the lighting. It's best I got at the time. So there's the blue is the cold, and on this side you got the red is the hot. So we're basically going to unscrew the red and unscrew the blue right here, and we'll be able to pop that top faucet right out of here. Okay, now that you have the two off, they're off here. These black tighteners, they just spin off both sides, one side and then the other. And once these are off, that's one, and the other one here, spin it off, and then at that point you'll be able to lift your tap right out. Okay, now we have that unhooked completely from the bottom. We just pull the old one out here. It's a 4-inch center set, pretty standard. And we grab our new faucet, and we'll just get that spacer in there, slide that right in, and head her back underneath, tighten everything right back up. So before we tighten everything up, I'm going to keep the same original stopper here that came with the rig. So I'm not going to touch this at all. I'm going to leave it. No need to change that out unless you're finding you're having issues with it. These taps, they do come with one that is standard. You would have to install, but this is fine. I'm going to leave it and head underneath now and get things tightened back up. All right, we're going to take these black tighteners, screw them both back onto the thread, and this will securely keep our faucet in place. And then after we've done that, we're going to go ahead and install the hot and cold water taps again. All right, we got them all snugged up nice here. I would not over tighten these too much. They are plastic, so they will crack on you, and I would imagine it would be a hard time trying to replace them, or a local RV shop maybe, but I hand tighten them, then just use a pair of channel locks and just snug them up a little bit. Now they're perfect. Okay, there you go. Nice new beautiful tap. No problem, easy fix. Not a problem putting it in. Just need a few tools and you are good to go. Okay, that wraps up the tab faucet replacement in our RV. So pretty simple, just need a few tools. I used a pair of channel locks, and was able to unscrew the hot and cold, and then just did the rest by hand. So very simple. If you need to do it, hopefully that helped. Hit that subscribe button and smash that like button if you like this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.